The first cannon shot of the Second World War is fired on Danzig. Entering battle as if in a bygone age, the Polish cavalry charges the German tanks and is slaughtered.
The aim would be for the pincers to meet near Warsaw and Brest-Litovsk.
On the 25th of September, Hitler orders the bombing of Warsaw. The city is surrounded, but still holding out. The Polish army surrenders to the Germans, and in the east to the Soviets. 10th of May, 1940. At 5:35 a.m., the Germans unleash their offensive. The Germans are heading for the coast, and that the Allies have fallen into a trap. No tank could ever get through those densely forested hills. But nothing stops them.